Hey guys, how's it going on? My name is Kristifor, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom CSS on the WordPress sites and see all the changes in the front end. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do, log into your site. Once you are in the dashboard, you will go to the appearance and you click on customize. And you will see this page. From here, you will click on additional CSS. And here you can enter all CSS that you like. So keep in mind, this is the one way that you can do it, but most of the time, maybe you want to customize a specific page. So for example, I want to customize this page. Now if I want to add some custom CSS and see the changes directly, at the top bar, I will click on customize. And it will automatically open this page. We'll click on additional CSS tab like before, and you can edit custom CSS here and see the changes directly on the side. For example, I already have some CSS and I will show you how it's gonna work. For example, if I want to change the background of these boxes and do it something like this, you will see the changes. And maybe I want to keep the text white, I'll do it like this. And you can play around and see what works for you, and then you can just publish it and you can see it even on a live site. Keep in mind, this is a simple way that you can do it, but if you want to keep this tab clean, and if you don't want to have the extra code here, you can just copy it. After you are happy with the code, you can just include it in some custom code snippet. I will leave a link from my Google Analytics video. I think I put the code directly in the code snippet and do it in the same way with the CSS, and you can have this tab clean. Or the other way that you can do it as well is copy the code once you're happy with it and just include it in the theme files directly. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If you want to see some more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notification. Get updated every time when I upload a new video. As always, I'm uploading videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Until then, see you in the next video.